I received this package last week and I was really excited to try it out. The hair dryer is super convenient and easy to use. See, the cord spins 360 degrees. It's easy for me to work with from different angles. It comes with different attachments, so basically everything I need is included. So they've got a hairbrush, hair dryer, air wrap. So it's very easy to change the different attachments. So just twist and lock, and there you go. So it has 3 different speeds and temperature settings. So I've been using this for a week now. I have long hair. I usually use the lowest speed and the middle heat. It takes about 5 minutes to completely dry my hair, which is very efficient. And the air wrap is also very easy to work with. It also comes with this cleaning brush for removing the hair from the attachment. I think it's very thoughtful. So overall, it's high quality and great price. I really love it.
Finally found the hairstyler dupe I've been looking for. I took a chance on this, everybody, and it is amazing. Look at this volume. I was so fed up with my last curling iron. It was curling too tight. It wasn't lasting, and it took too long. This is fast, volumized hair. So tight curls are out, loose curls are in. Check the comments. I can't wait to share this with you guys.